I'm using a 5/16 socket to take the cover off of the drive assembly. In my case, looks like everything is together on the drive assembly. So I don't think that's the problem, because one of my wheels was turning. So we're going to move on to taking off a wheel in my case, and seeing if there's something different found in the wheel that may be causing the wheels not to turn properly. For the wheel, I have to use a 9/16 socket. So the 9/16 on there. One wheel was turning, the other one wasn't. The one that balled, this one was the one that was turning, but I was going to get them replaced anyway, so I'm like, let me figure out what's going on with the drive wheels, why one's turning and why it's not. And I think I see why right here. As you can see, the teeth inside of the drive wheel are pretty much useless. They've vanished, so they're not catching on to that. As you can see, I'll zoom in so you can see the little mechanism there that they catch on to right here. Those catch on to teeth around here that's supposed to turn these wheels around. So I'm almost 100% sure that the other side is just like this, and that's why it's not turning at all. So we'll come right back and we'll see with that. And just as I thought, I took off the other one on the other side, just like that. And it has a lot of tread on it because it hasn't been turning, but just like I thought on the inside of that one as well, the teeth are all missing. So that's why it's not turning. They have disintegrated down to the where it would not catch, and they're supposed to catch again on this right here. Okay, so you can see up close. Here's the new one. You can see the ridges on the new one. That's what goes up against that versus the old one. See how the ridges are broken on the old one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one back on, make those ridges line up. Hopefully everything will be turning like it should. Here we go. Okay. And I already see it's working because it's moving both wheels. Start it and push the thing, break it in, make sure everything's everything.